Imagine this. A lifeless body lies in remote field. No witness, no cameras, and no immediate clues. But wait, the smallest of life forms have already arrived. Insects, and they are about to become the key witnesses in this mysterious death investigation. At crime scene, every clue counts. Sometimes the most important witness are not people, just they are insects. And these tiny creatures can reveal when the victim died, whether the body was moved, and sometimes even what poisons or drugs were in system. Welcome to the world of forensic entomology, the science of solving crimes with the help of insects. Forensic entomology is the application of insect biology in criminal investigations. Yes, the bugs you often swat away are actually crime scene investigators in their own right. Forensic entomology involves applying insect biology to criminal investigations. When a person dies, their body becomes part of nature's cycle. Blowfiles, beetles, and other insects arrive at predictable times, and their life cycles help forensic experts calculate how long the body has been there. It starts with flies laying eggs in the body. These eggs hatch into larvae, maggots that feed and grow at known rates depending on temperatures and conditions. As a forensic expert, I have seen firsthand how critical this evidence can be. I am Suresh Taruvu, former Joint Director of Andhra Pradesh Forensic Science Laboratory in AP Police Department. With over 8,600 crime scene investigations and 6 national awards from the Ministry of Home Affairs, New Delhi, I have dedicated my career to bringing truth and justice through forensic science. Honesty, humanity, hard work, and sincerity have always guided my investigations. How insects help to determine the time of death? These blowflies lay eggs on the body, usually in moist areas like the nose, mouth, or wounds. Let me explain how insects help us determine postmortem interval or PMI, how long it's been since death. For example, a blowfly's egg hatch into larvae within hours. The larvae mature into maggots in about 5 to 7 days. We call this estimation the postmortem interval or PMI. It helps us answer the most crucial question in any investigation. When did the person die? By identifying the type of insects and their stages of development, we can estimate the time since death with surprising accuracy that when did the person die. For example, in one case, fully developed maggots told us the victim had been dead for over a week, even when the body was too decomposed for standard autopsy findings. In one investigation, blowfly larvae helped pinpoint the time of death so precisely that it contradicted the suspect's alibi, leading to a confession. These creatures, often overlooked, became the silent witnesses that spoke for the victim. Let us take a real case from forensic history. In 1999, a body was found in an abandoned house. No one knows when the person had died, But the forensic entomologist collected maggots and identified their species and age. By knowing the local temperatures and life cycle stages, they accurately determine the time of death. And guess what? It matches the suspect's alibi timeline, leading to an arrest and conviction. It can reveal if a body was moved after death by studying which insect species are present. And in cases of poisoning or drug overdose, maggots feeding on the body can contain traces of these substances, helping toxicologists find answers long after death. For example, I worked in a case where larvae tested positive for pesticide poisoning, evidence that ultimately helped to prove foul play. How forensic experts collect insect evidence. Accurate labeling of time, date, and location is crucial because every detail matters when justice is on the line. At the crime scene, collecting insect evidence requires precision. Here, how it is done. Larvae are collected and preserved in hot alcohol to stop development. Live larvae are also collected in a wide-mouthed container with a small piece of flesh from the body to feed on, and covered with a cloth to allow air. This allows entomologists to continue observing their own in the lab. Forensic entomology bridges nature and law enforcement, proving that even the smallest creatures can tell the biggest stories. It is a powerful tool in the hands of trained forensic experts, helping uncover the truth in complex investigations. If you found this fascinating, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Taruvu Forensic Vlogs. This is Suresh Taruvu, Forensic Experts, bringing you the real science from real crime stories. Signing off.